I'm always following Srolan MH. Okay, in that, so these are my keywords for my success. Okay, I'm always checking about these things, right? In that, N is there, new activity for next level. Okay, luckily these days, what new I'm learning something like a new features, new features, okay, in Python, new features in Python. Okay, luckily I'm learning something new. Okay, like so every day in your life, not every month, not every year. Okay, every day in your life, sir, you have to do at least one of these things, right? Okay, meeting a new person, can you please meeting a new person, or visiting a new place, or visiting a new place, or doing some new activity, like you have to do that. So the people who can always think about this one, okay, definitely they are going to enjoy the success. But very common weakness, common drawback for the human being is, they are habitized. That is the biggest problems. Are the people who are come out that habitization, those people are going to succeed like anything. Remember a bit very carefully, sir. So the things are changing, the days are changing, the technology is changing. So if you are not going to change, then the society is throw you away from here. That's why compulsory we require to change. Okay, change must be required. So for that, so what we require to do is new activity we require to do for compulsory, friends. Okay, remember that common weaknesses, sir. Do you know, I'm telling, so whether really you are weak or not, you are really your weakness is the habitization or not. If you want, let me check. So what toothpaste you are using? Array, respond. What toothpaste you are using? Anyone, can you please tell? Yes, what Colgate Max, Vico, like, do you know? Dabur Red. Okay, like, array, n number of brands are available in the market, yet your childhood, somewhere you habitized with the close up. Okay, then automatically, lifetime your life is going to be completed with this close up only. You're getting, yeah, with this close up only. If you want, you can cross check, sir, for how many years onwards you are using same brand of toothpaste. That is the bigger weakness. A small thing, right? How many people changed your toothpaste? How many people tested some 4 or 5 or 6 or 10 brands? Okay, unless and until if you are not testing new thing, how you can confirm that your user thing is the best thing? Getting the point? Yes, friends, are you in the position to understand my point, right? Yes, no? Okay, yes, you require to change at least one day, at least one day. You required to change. Okay, like, so habitization. Okay, I mean, the maybe spelling mistake is there. Don't worry about my thing. You have to habit uh, habitation. Okay, like, anyway, so habitization, or anyway, my intention you have to understand, friends. Don't worry about spellings. So toothpaste close up, so I, while studying my college, okay, so close up is good, seems to be red color, taste is also good. That's why my lifetime I'm going to use close up only. Okay, like, so such type of terminology remove from your body. It is highly recommended, sir. Somewhere from my childhood, okay, red color is my favorite color. Okay, if I go to the shop, always looking, our eyes always looking for red color. Where is the red at my childhood? Okay, so someone told, Arey, your red shirt is good. Then obviously, if I go to the shop, my concentration is always where red color is there, where have you observed, right? Okay, have you observed the words? Okay, like, so you are, this is, array, if you try with the other, still you are not feeling comfortable, then better to choose this one. Okay, that's what, try for new, must be compulsory required in your habits. Try for new, must be compulsory required in your things. That is about my intention of telling this point, friends. Okay, new must be required. Next, and after that, do you know, so if you want, you can observe. So if you are attending, if you in your circle also, do you know, you are always looking about comfort zone. Comfort zone, you are always looking about comfort zone. You are going to keep one boundary. Within that boundary only you want to live. Okay, like so you never going to, yes, you never going to think about okay, what we call array, that new activity, that risk we have to take, such type of thing. Sorry, man, that thing is not there in our blood. Because of that we are missing a number of things. Okay, so compulsory, friends. At least today I met this person who succeeded in his life like anything. I spent some 10 minutes time with that person. Okay, like you have to have such type of new things in your life. Then obviously, yeah, your life is going to be very smooth. A small example I will tell for you people, right now. Observe, because all these are my experiences only. I learned one small thing. I worked in KLCE. Okay, yes, as a lecturer. Okay, assistant professor, something like they are going to give. Anyway, as engineering college lecturer, I worked in some engineering college as a lecturer, sir. KLC, do you know, KLC means the people who are from Andhra at Vijayawada. It is this engineering college is there. After completing my BTech, I worked, sir. After completing my BTech, I worked there as a lecturer as 1 year. In that 1 year, do you know, sir, I got recognition like anything, sir. Okay, so every student is giving the respect like anything. Okay, so how much value is array in the college, if they are taking feedback will be there in that. So highest feedback in my department goes to Durga only. Okay, highest feedback in that department goes to Durga only, right, sir? Next, do you know, the students are always giving respect like anything. If I want to, if I'm going for lunch, okay, cafeteria will be there. Just if I'm going there, while going, the remaining branch people, the remaining departments, faculties, array, that person is the Durga, that person is the Durga, like they are showing me, they are highlighting me. Okay, that person, like, because my principal is very impressed on me in every departmental meeting. Yes, there is a small kid is there in IT department, Durga, named with Durga, the topmost person. He can give left and right for any subject. This type of terminology my principal used, right? Okay, like now in that college, most valuable person. So do you know? Just I completed BTech. My all my in that branch, BTech final year students wrote a big letter to principal saying we required gate classes from Durga, sir. Okay, like there's a big letter they gave. We don't want that senior faculty. We required Durga for the gate. Like such type of recognition is there, sir. Do you know? College is going to start at 9 o'clock, but usually I will go to the college at 7 a.m. only. I will spend 2 hours in the library, and then 9 o'clock I will go to the class. Okay, like next evening at 4 o'clock, college is going to be completed, right? 4 p.m. college is going to be completed, but I never come at 4 o'clock. 4 to 7 I will study in the library, and then at 7 o'clock I will come to my house. Have you observed, right? Next Saturday, Sundays, no faculty will go to the college, but myself I will go to the college and happily sitting in the department studying. Okay, like my principal observed several times. Okay, like next in the result, in the one semester result, the highest pass percentage, highest number of marks for my students only. Really, friends, I enjoyed like anything every moment. Do you know, academic mid exams are there? Academic mid exams are there, right? Have you observed it? First mid, second mid, like by first mid only. This is the two worst. By first mid only I will complete my total syllabus. In the first mid only I will complete my total syllabus. First mid semester, in the first mid only I will complete my total syllabus. Yeah, so first mid they are writing complete syllabus exam. Second mid revision. Third, original exam is nothing, man. Nothing is there. Okay, to discuss. Full revision happened. Highest so pass percentage or otherwise highest marks in my subject usually happen. Such type of best so recognition I got there, sir. What happened is, one fine day, I want to leave. I want to leave that place because I got MTech admission somewhere. I want to leave that place. Then literally the day at the time of leaving, so do you know my eyes with water, okay, which is called what is that, tears or something, like I don't know the great words, okay, like tears, okay, my eyes, because such type of beautiful place I'm leaving, like really I felt, man, because special recognition is there in that college, okay, for me special recognition was there in that college, right? Then after leaving, I came to Hyderabad. I came to Hyderabad. Then I'm doing some activities, like. Then after 3 to 4 months, then I felt that. Then I felt that unnecessary. I wasted 1 year there. Okay, like there is no growth in my career. Unnecessary. I wasted my 1 year in that engineering college as a faculty. Yeah, same person, same person, okay. So the growth, the scope is not there, okay. If another 10 years were there, maybe from assistant professor to associate professor or otherwise, okay, maybe head of the department, or maybe so principal of that college. But anyway, that growth is not up to the mark within the college boundary only, okay. Now while leaving, I felt that such a type of best place I'm missing. But after 3 months, I realized that, array, unnecessary. I wasted my life, okay, 1 year in that engineering college. Getting the point? When I will come to know that? When I will come to know that? Yes, friends, respond. When I will come to know? Because if I did some new activity, then I came to know that that thing is a waste. Getting that thing is the waste, okay, like. Next, one more thing, sir. Suppose at the beginning days of Durgasoft, we are not having big rooms. I have a classroom, almost, 150 students capacity classroom was there at my beginning days. 150 students capacity classroom, almost 2 to 3 years. That class is reserved for Durga only, okay. That classroom is reserved for me only, okay. Then 2 to 3 years I was handle all the sessions daily, 5 to 6 batches in that room only. Then one fine day, okay, so the strength, okay, maybe is that room is not accommodate the number of huge number of students. Then I want to left that room, okay. Just we are vacating that office, that room. Then while leaving that, then I felt like anything, okay. So maybe I'm the very sentimental fellow, it seems. I thought that I really, man. So array, these many days I took almost 5 to 6 years I handled the sessions there, okay. Like so I have n number of attachments with that room. Maybe my parents are coming, they are sitting next, my uncle is there with me. So we had n number of beautiful experience, beautiful moments regarding that venue, okay, like. Whenever I left, really, so again my eyes with tears. Array, I'm leaving this one, like, I'm leaving this one, like. Now, so when once I go to the new place, almost around 500 capacity or 600 capacity room, I moved that 600 capacity room. I moved that there. Array, these many years, unnecessary. I wasted my efforts by sitting there only, by keeping in the same venue, like I got that feeling. Remember that. That's why. So in your life, have you observed, when when I felt while leaving this venue, I felt the, array, how beautiful this room I'm living. So maybe my situation, how I don't know how the things will be. I really I felt like anything. But once I moved to this room, then I came to know that, array, this work I have to do at least 2 years or 3 years before only. Unnecessary, I wasted my life by taking the sessions in that small venue, like I felt. Wah, same person, same person. Only difference is time is the difference. Have you observed, right? Time itself is the difference, right? Okay. We had I hope you people may have such type of n number of experiences in your life. Yes, no, friends, respond. Yeah, n number of experiences in your life. Yes, obviously. That's why highly recommended, try for the new things. So once you try with 4, 5, 6, 7 new activities, then you will come to know which is the best. Okay, remember, identify best and then do that tomorrow. If a new thing is coming tomorrow, if a new thing is coming, then compulsory you have to test, compulsory you require to test, because it may be good, it may be good. Okay, like we don't know until and unless if you are not trying for the new thing, you don't know really whether you are in the correct track or not. That's what I'm telling for you people, right? Okay, so the biggest weakness for the human being is habitization. Okay, so earlier my phone is Samsung. Okay, earlier my phone is Samsung like. So next, if I go to the my mobile damaged, or otherwise I lost my mobile, then immediately I will go to the shop. Can you please show Samsung mobile? Have you observed? Can you please show Samsung mobile? Samsung mobile. Okay, like okay, like why don't you choose for other? Because you are feeling that I'm already habituated with this, I won't face any problem, I won't face any problem. Okay, such a type of mindset by default will be there for most of the people. Remember that. Remember that. Okay, like next, and after that, someone suppose your father or your father, so are why you are buying, why you are buying? Okay, I want to go for the car. Okay, I want to go for the car. Are BMW car I want to go for. Then immediately I will ask, only why you have to choose only BMW? Because a number of things are there in the market, like then immediately this person is telling, my friend already took this one, so he's feeling very comfortable, that's why I'm taking this BMW. Wow. Have you observed, right? Have you heard this type of statement in the society? I hope multiple times. Hare, why you are choosing this one? My friend already did, my father has this one, my mother has this, or my sister doing the same, that's why I'm doing this one. Hare, why you are studying doctor? Why you are studying doctor? My father is doctor. My father is doctor, that's why I'm studying doctor. Hare, have you observed the difference, right? Yes, my father is the hero, that's why myself is the hero. Okay, my father is the politician, that's why myself is the politician. Okay, do something new, do something new. Don't be in the comfort zone. If you are doing something new in your life, then definitely you people are going to succeed. Okay, so test everything. Okay, do you know if any new thing is coming? So suppose, do you know if any new thing is coming, immediately I'm always looking for the new thing only, sir. New thing only I'm always looking. So because there is a chance whether you are doing correct thing or not, there is a chance to test, there is a chance to check. That's what my intention of telling for you people. Right, are you in the position to understand? So, in your life, every day before going to the bed, please check, am I meet a new person? So, am I visiting a new place or doing a new activity? Am I did anything? Please cross check. Okay. So, if you start thinking about new things, then whether you are in the correct track or not, you are going to test also. Whether you are doing correct thing or not, you are going to test also. Sometimes what will happen, I'm approaching some of my friends, some of my okay, well wishers, okay, some of my well wishers, I'm always, I'm doing these things currently. Okay, this is the thing, I'm spending this much time here, I'm investing these areas. So can you please tell, is there any better things are there with us? Is there any better opportunities there, or am I doing correct or not? I will check with a number of people. Okay, remember. But anyway, but any way, please take a bit special care. There are some things we can't change. Okay, mother, you can't change. Father, you can't change. It's already blessed. Have you observed? It's already blessed. Mother, father, you can't change. You can't change your brother. You can't change your girlfriend. Okay. Have you observed, right? Okay. You can't change your wife. You can't change your wife. Okay. Like you can't change. Okay. So at least the changeable things better to change. Okay. Not change. I mean, if you really feels that is more comfort than existing, then you require to change. Okay, but there are some constants are there in our life, we can't change. Don't think always change, like today first wife, tomorrow second wife, day after tomorrow third wife, then fourth day you won't be. Okay, that is so change means there are some okay, like have you observed in your career? So do you know there are some people who are telling, usually while working in IBM, I got the mail, today Tommy Sikkanen completed 25 years in IBM. Okay, everyone is going to tell, congratulations Tommy Sikkanen, congratulations Tommy Sikkanen, like to congratulate this person please. Okay, now I'm seeing a very pity look on this person. 25 years his life, almost half of the life he dedicated only for IBM. Have you observed? He dedicated only for IBM 25 years. Really, I felt like pity life. Okay. So next, there are some people. Oh, today retirement. He worked as a teacher. He worked as a teacher for 50 years, 60 years. At the age of 60 years, retirement function is there. Retirement function is there, like yeah, by seeing such a type of people, I'm feeling very very, do you know, something like something like I'm feeling very what we call pity on these people, right? Okay, 60 years worked as a teacher, worked as a so and so employee, and then he left. So his total life dedicated only for that particular activity. You don't know anything, sir. You don't know anything about outside. That's why don't be employee forever. Remember carefully, sir. There are some people in the society who is going to tell, hey, as a director of so and so he retired. So what? So what? Your life is completed in that company only. One fine day you are coming out from the company, are you what there with you? Nothing. Abjan, getting my point right? Okay, the people, there are some people, old people anyway, so we should respect them. We should respect them. But anyway, my internal personal feeling, hey, I worked 60 years, man. I worked almost 40 years service in BSNL. 40 years of service. 40 years of service in BSNL. Yeah, completed. Can you please do the remaining 10 or 20 years also, so that there only you will die? Why you came out? Hey, getting? Okay. So please take a bit special care. Next, even in the company, same company also, don't be forever friends. Okay, sir, I completed 10 years. I completed 10 years in the current company. 10 years in the current company. Okay, then my personal feeling is, this person can't get an outside. That's why this person is staying there only. Getting? This person can't get an. HR people are going to see in the software, if a person who completed 5 years, 6 years, HR people are going to see from top to bottom, why this person is not leaving. If he's going out, then he can't get on. That's why this person is staying here only. Yeah, remember that. Okay, doing the work for the last 10 years, doing the work for the last 10 years in the same company, nothing. Someone is telling, I completed 10 years in different business units in IBM. I worked, I completed my 10 years in different business units in IBM. Great to legion, because you are trying to convince yourself. Okay. Yeah, happy to legion, but You are convincing yourself. Okay. Getting my point? I hope so. I'm not spell out the name. Yeah. Okay, you are trying to convince yourself. Beyond that, nothing there. So work another 20 years so that your life will be gone. And then, so at the age of 60 years, happily come out from IBM. And then you will cross check what I did for the last, okay, in my life for the last 30 years, what I did. Can you please cross check how much your bank balance, how much your recognition, what you did to the society? Can you please cross check all these things? Then whether you are going to answer, whether you are going to be convinced with your answers or not, please cross check. Okay. Yeah. It doesn't mean you have to leave the IBM. That's not my intention. Okay, remember that. But whether you are in the correct track or not, please cross check. That's what. That's what. Always think about next level. Next level. Okay. Always think about next level to go to the next level. So every day next level is always a different, sir. For everything, next level is always there. Next level is always there, sir. Okay. If for next level, if the next level is always there, okay, for that, what is the new activity I have to do that? Every day you require to cross check. Highly recommended. N for new activity or next level is highly recommended. Do you know, at our childhood, uh, sir, there are some oldest people. I mean, the people who are there. Yet your childhood, what TVs you saw? Anyone? Can you please confirm what TV? Gupta sir, can you please what TV you used at your childhood? I mean, in your house. Whenever what TV your father bring at that time? No. Yes. Do you know, right? At our childhood, Onida. Next and after that, BPL. Have you remember? BPL. Okay, like we had Onida, BPL. Like now, if I go to the TV showroom, boss, I want one BPL TV. I want one Onida TV. Then most of the times, the shop wala is going to see from top to bottom. Correct, right? Can you please confirm? Definitely he's going to see from top to bottom. Okay, I want BPL. I want Onida. Okay, he's going to see from top to bottom. Sir, these days, Sony, LG, and like there are some more companies are there. These are very popular, sir. Onida, BPL, olden days TVs, right? Sir, currently these things are not available. Sorry. Array, Onida, BPL, the brands in the market once upon a time, why they are not currently? The reason for that is they are not changing as per market requirement. Have you observed the word? They are not changing as per the market requirement. They are not in a position, okay, to change themselves. What happened here? Throw away from the market. Getting my point? Yes, same thing. The mobile phone birth started with Nokia. Have you remembered, right? The mobile phone birth, date of birth, the mobile phone birth started with Nokia. Any person, sir, if you go for 2002, 2003, 2004, hurry, mobile, I took mobile. Then they are going to ask which mobile you took. They never going to ask about company. The company is always Nokia only. At the beginning days, how many people use Nokia phone at least one? Yeah. How many people use a Nokia phone at least once? Yes, beginning days. That the beginning days, I'm sure. That the beginning days, sir. Not currently today. Okay, not currently today, like yes. Okay, now Nokia. Once upon a time, Nokia, sir. But very unfortunate that Nokia company currently not there. It is acquired by Microsoft. They are not in a position. They are not in a position to run that company acquired by some other company, some other company. Have you observed, right? Okay, some other company. The reason for that, they are not in a position to change based on requirement. Okay, the people who are not looking about a new next level, their position is always like this only. Okay, even Microsoft people also. Okay, luckily Nokia under Microsoft, now there is some publicity, some importance. But anyway, even Microsoft people also, they are feeling that why we bought this Nokia. Some time back I saw one article. Okay, but anyway, currently I don't know about market trending what there. So everyone these days, you can ask, everyone is always thinking about Apple or something like Nokia now. Anyway, relatively maybe in the market, I don't know. Okay, but the situation is not that much. Getting the point? Are you in the position to understand my words? Okay, always think about new. So meet new persons. A number of new ideas will come in the picture. Okay, spend some time with the new persons. They are going to share their experiences. They are going to share. Okay, they are going to share their experiences. Okay, they are going to tell. So whether you are in the correct track or not. Okay, you will. So always think about new. Then your life by default will be successful like anything. Getting? But anyway, some things we can't change. Some things we can't change. Like I told, right? Which things we can't change. Mother, father, girlfriend, wife. But in this, don't think about a new. In this, don't think about a new. It is very dangerous. Okay, so these things are always fixed. Good programming practice. Getting right? So next, if you want to be long term in the software, sir, it's a very common doubt for most of the people. Sir, which technology is the best to settle my life in the software industry? What is the answer? Have you observed? This is a very common doubt, sir. Some people in this session also, sir, which technology is best? Which technology is the best to settle my life? To settle my life in IT. What is the answer you are going to tell? In IT, in IT. Okay, I want to settle my life. Okay, like now take a bit very special care about this terminology, right? Okay, so which technology the best to settle my life in IT? No such type of technology. The day to day the technologies are keep on day to day the technologies are keep on changing. That's why the person who is going to adapt new technology, who can work on new technologies, that person can be get on in the life very easily, sir. Okay, he will be more time in the IT industry. Are you in the position to understand? Please take a bit special care about this terminology, right? Okay, the most valuable, very important things. So new, something new. While learning, always looking about a new thing. Okay, so while doing the things, always thinking about a new. That new is always going to makes a big difference in your life. Suppose, yeah, for the last 10 years onwards, I'm taking meals inside some hotel. Okay, last 10 years onwards. Okay, just I'm eating in the same hotel. Assume that, sir. Suppose today I saw some new hotel beside that. Today I saw some new hotel beside that. So out of 1 crore people, are 99% of the people, if they require to go for meals, compulsory, our hand is always, sir, our legs always moving towards this hotel only. That's why. Correct line? Yes, friends. Array, for the last 10 years onwards, you are eating in the same hotel. Suddenly, today, you saw a new hotel just beside that. Are you going to the new hotel, or are you going to the old hotel? Which one? General human tendency. General human tendency. Anyone, can you please confirm? Okay. Always out of 100, 99.99% of the people always going for the same hotel only. Because why we have to take the risk? Why we have to take the risk? Better to go to the same hotel only. Because for the last 10 years onwards, we are doing the same, right? Yeah. Have you observed? Have you observed? The people are the biggest weakness already habitized to eat in that hotel. Why I have to choose different? If you are going to give the chance to me, my intention, I will choose a new hotel only. Because the reason for that is new is good. Don't feel like that. New is good. Don't feel like that. I can cross check. There is an opportunity for me. Am I choosing correct thing or not? Okay, I will choose here one time. One time. If reality the good, wow, thank God. Now onwards, I got better opportunity, better chance. Like so, unless and until, if you are not going for the new hotel, whether you are eating, whether you are choosing your choice is the best or not, how you can decide? Okay, sir, I went there one time. Two worst, two worst. Wow. Now I will feel very happy, very happy. Array, for the last 10 years onwards, I'm with a good thing only. There is a chance to justify whether you are doing the correct thing or not. Simple example to understand in the layman terminology. Friends, are you getting the point? Okay, that's why if you are getting the chance to learn something new, don't miss that opportunity. Okay, don't miss that opportunity. Something new, don't miss. Okay, at least one day, at least 1 hour, better to learn the new technologies, new things. Array, today cloud is too good, then spend 1 hour on the cloud, AWS or Azure or otherwise Google cloud platform somewhere. Spend some time. If tomorrow if it is required to work, you are feeling very comfortable there. Okay, if you want to be long term in software industry, compulsory what you require to do is you have to do like this. Okay, so always new technologies, new things, you have to habitize, you have to adapt easily, then your life will be very smooth in the IT industry. Clear? Are you feeling right? Because our life is a very small life. Our life is a very small, very small. Okay, like our lifespan is very, 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 very small. Okay, very, 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 very small life. Our lifespan is a very, very, very small. Okay, that's why you won't. Okay, this is you won't. You should not take okay wrong things in your life. That's why just very, very simple, sir, very simple. So so 100, if assume that 60 years is the average life, 60 years is the average life for the human being. 60 years is the average life. Sir, assume that assume that 60 into 365 days. Okay, total life 21,900 days only. Okay, this is if everything goes fine, if your life is 60 years, assume it doesn't mean 60 years is the end. Maybe some lucky people are there 100 years also. Okay, like just I'm telling average 21,900 days only. Suppose your life is already 30 years completed. 30 years completed. If your life is already 30 years, 30 into 365, just oddly 10,950 days only. 950 days only in your life. Yeah, in these 10,950 days, have you observed, right? You have to create your impact for the next 100 years in the society. Getting? Now, so if you want, you can observe. If you want, you can observe the people who just who are get 60 years, 55 years. Better to spend some time with them. Okay, 60 years, 70 years. Better to spend some time with them. They are going to tell what mistakes they did in their life. Okay, so I usually, if any old person is coming, I'm always very happy to discuss with that person. Sir, you what you did for the last in your life, how you spend 70 years, can you please explain? At least 2 hours or 3 hours better to spend with them. Okay, then they are going to tell, Durga, I did these are the great things in my life, I did these are the worst things in my life, so that you have an opportunity. Okay, should not to do such type of mistakes in your life. You have the choice, but this person not having the choice. Getting the point? You have the choice, okay, because you have life is there, you have age is there. But this person after 70 years, if he want to correct, then automatically it may not possible. Okay, like, so that's why better to spend some time with the new people, better to think about the new things. It doesn't mean every new thing you have to follow. Sometimes you can use new things for your testing sake. That's what. Okay, if any old persons are there, don't leave next time. 70 years, 80 years people are there, spend 2 to 3 hours with them. Tataya, can you please tell your story, how those days? Huh? So like, grandpa, can you please tell? So grandpa, I have the time. 30 years, 40 years is there in my life, or 50 years are there in my life. Can you please guide? So what type of mistakes I should not do? Because you crossed all your life, all the milestones. In what way I have to do? Because I recently I met a person, sir. Recently I met a person. He worked as a driver in RTC. Okay, APSRTC. My relative only. I met this person, driver. His age is almost 65 years. 5 years before, 5 years before he 5 years before he retired. Then I asked this person, my uncle, Mamaya, almost your age is 65 years. You spend, at what age you entered in the APSRTC? Like, then that person told, I'm not sure. My total experience is almost 40 to 43 years, 40 to 40 years. Sorry, almost he joined in the 23 or 24 or 25 years. The remaining, okay, you can expect. Okay, almost around 30 plus years. I worked there. 30 plus years I worked there. Like, yeah, excellent. Then I asked, so after 30 years, do you know what about your financial status? Like I asked, Durga, I have two kids, both are married. Okay, both are married. Next, I have my one own house. Okay, like I have. Next, and after that, I have just a 10 lakhs. Bank balance is there. 10 lakhs bank balance is there. Yeah, this is about my property. Like, then I asked, have you did any mistakes? Have you did any mistakes in your life? Array, that day, if I did something, then today it will be good. Like, then that person told, Durga, whenever I have full money, I did expenses like anything. I never think about the future. Okay, now I'm struggling like anything. I'm struggling like anything for financial problems. Like, Durga, if you have the money, take care, think about future also. Don't enjoy, temporarily enjoy your life. Like, this person suggested some things, what mistakes he did in his life. Don't do this type of mistakes, Durga, that person told. Getting the point? Yes, friends. Next, there is one person, another person named with Shivaram sir. Like, he came to Durga's after to handle C classes. His age is almost around 70 years. Then, sir, I want to spend at least 2 hours with you. Please give the chance, like I asked. Then immediately that person, Durga, why not? Why not? I will do that. Like, so 2 hours I had. Sir, now at the age of 60, 70 years also, now you came for C classes just for the sake of 10,000, 20,000 rupees. Why? So what about your past, sir? Can you please explain? Like, Durga, my life was too good. So I invested in the real estate by assuming, oh, that thing happened, this thing happened, that thing is happened, and so on. Then nothing happened. Huh? Nothing happened in my life. In my life, nothing happened in my life. So then all my assets gone. Okay, with the mistakes, whatever I did. So not in a position now for the sake of 10,000 rupees, I want to handle at least 1 or 2 batches in Durgasoft, like this person told. Then I asked, so, sir, do you have, okay, any mistakes in your life? That person told, without thinking anything, keep on doing, keep on doing wrong things. That makes me like this, right? Sir, what about your kids? Have you this point you have to aware very clearly, sir. I remember that point, yeah, like anything. Sir, how many kids you have? I have two kids, and I mean, three kids. Two sons and one daughter. All the three members are married. Then I asked, sir, what about their progress like? Durga, all the people are settled yet very medium kind of thing. Okay, one person some repair shop, mobile repair shop. Another person is something like small, not the big settlements like. So can you please have you did anything wrong with your kids because their position is not up to the mark today like. Then he told, I gave full freedom for my kids. That is the bigger mistake what I did. I have to give left and right for my kids. I have to correct them. Okay, I have to correct them. So I gave the choice for the kids. You can do based on your interest. Like that mistake I should not do. Okay, that mistake I should not do. That is at that time I should not do that. But anyway, I did. That is the bigger mistake. Array, after 10th, Dad, I'm very much interested in HEC. HEC. Okay, that is your interest. Please do HEC only. Gone life. Another person came, Dad, I'm very much interested in CEC. Array, at the age of 10th class, how this person is getting interest on HEC or CEC and so on? What that person is, he don't know anything. But this person gave the chance. Okay, you can do on your wish anything. Don't worry, sir. This is because you are feeling they're comfortable. Like sometimes we have to guide them properly. That point I missed. Now their settlement is the 2 Varshta Durga. This person told. Getting the points right? Yes, friends. Because if any old person is coming in my life, minimum 2 hours or 3 hours, definitely I'm going to spend with them because to learn something. Okay, now onwards, my attitude got changed. I thought that I have to give full freedom for my kids. Now I should not do such a type of thing. Give left and right. Array, this is the proper. These are the advantages are there if you go like if you go choose like this. These are the problems you are going to face. Now can you please decide like I will show in the 3D all the things after 20 years, 30 years how your life will be. Okay, believe me, I'm your well wisher. Why you should not why you should not follow my word? Like up to certain level, definitely I will try to give left and right for my kids. Then I realized that getting the point. Observe that I learned something new. Now tomorrow my kid is coming, I want to do like first I will cross check is it correct or not. If it is not correct, I will guide in the proper way. This is not the correct because so and so things are going to be happening in your life. Getting the things right? Okay, like anyway, so always highly recommended. Something new is the very important in your life, so please take a bit very special care about this. Okay, scroll on MHN, the most valuable, very important point, new activity for the next level. Then what about these things? Of course. Do you want me to tell? Yes, it is. Yeah. Do you want me to tell? Okay. Now, just these are the keywords most of the times. Not most of the times. Every time I'm going to check. Don't worry. Maybe helpful for you people. Yes. 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 Okay. Very important, sir. Usually, I won't share this type of things. Okay. Anywhere because these things I told for my personal sake. Okay. But anyway, nothing will be there wrong. If it is helpful for you, yes means speed. S means speed. Okay. So I want to do something after 3 years. So what is the use? What is the use? Correct time, correct, finish. That's all. Okay, correct time, correct, finish. Okay, like speed. For in your activities, speed must be required. Slowly, okay, I will do that. Slowly, I will do that. Such type of thing is not at all entertainable. Compulsory for everything, timeline should be there. So when compared with the remaining, we have to complete that within the max speed, within the less time only. Okay, the people are thinking about that by the time we have already completed. Best example, sir. So for the institute, job portal is required, so that helpful for the students. We started durgajobs.com. We started Durga Jobs long days before. At that time, in Amirpet, thousands of institutes are there. No institute thinking about job portal, thinking about job portal for the students. No institute thinking about that. then automatically, so we thought that for the videos, okay, if we are going to share our knowledge through videos, it may be publicity, then a number of advantages like Durga Software YouTube channel, okay, like Durga Software YouTube channel, like. So after starting these things, after 5 to 6 years, now the remaining people are thinking about, oh, we require Durga Jobs because Durga Soft people are having durgajobs.com, like that we require to have some other, okay, like. So means the remaining people thinking about that, by that time we did already, we left that, we are looking for next level. Getting such a type of thing must be required. So yes means what? Please respond. Yes means what? Speed. Your friends are going to tell, Are, do you aware about that? Do you aware about that? Then immediately you have to tell, Are, already I aware, man. Already I did that. Okay. Such type of dynamicness must be required in you. In you, it is that much important, sir. Are, do you know what happened yesterday? What happened in the IPL? In the IPL, what happened? So these Hyderabad people are otherwise Deccan Chargers. Okay, these people came, entered, they won. Something like after 10 minutes, he's going to tell, do you aware? Are, already I know that, okay, because by that time everything you have to do means that much dynamicness, that much speed must be required for you, okay, like that's sir. Next, H, the most valuable, these points are, how many people are going to believe this? Okay, I'm always going to cross check all these words. I can use the word, these are the words which I'm always going to use. These are the keywords in my life, okay, just I'm sharing with you people. H means okay, so anyone, can you please imagine what is the H? Please respond. Can you please imagine once? Because you spend with me long time. Yeah, H means honesty, hard work, hours. Okay, like so. My H means highest, highest, highest result work. Highest result work. So result work. I never going to do all the activities wastely. Okay, I will choose one or two activities which are going to provide biggest results. Such type of activity only I have to do the highest result work, divided into small pieces, small pieces. Small pieces, okay, pieces like small pieces, okay. This is, have you remembered Pareto principle? 80%, 20% of activities are going to provide 80% of results. 20% of activities are going to provide 80% of result, like so that 20% of activities I'm always going to choose, the remaining 80% of activities I'm always leaving. Then you may have the bigger doubt, sir, you in your busy schedule taking the classes, and you are telling that learning the new things, preparing the documents, how it is going to be happen? Because except learning, except preparing and spending with my family, I'm not having any other activities. Yes, are you getting my point? Are you getting my point, right? So I'm always going to filter my activities. I'm always going to choose highest result work. If it is the biggest, if it is a big activity, no problem, divide it into small pieces and do piece by piece, then Saturday it's going to be completed. I'm always looking about that only, okay, like highest result work. Anyone, can you please tell what is R? Yeah, anyone, can you please imagine, visualize? Yeah, that's my personal keywords. You never going to find anywhere, sir. These are my own created keywords. I kept, to success in my life, compulsory these things I have to follow. With my experience, I choose these things. Anyone, can you please tell R, relation, rapid, robust, reject, like, yeah, please confirm, think about that. Okay, so the next, the biggest thing what I'm thinking about, right? No, okay, no. R means I'm always thinking about reusability. Okay, if we do some work, if we do some work compulsory that work should be reusable. We should not repeat again and again. Getting the things. If we do some activity, that activity should be reusable. One time we have to do that, and we have to reuse that. Being software engineer, reusability is the most important. Wherever the code is required, we have to write the code only once, and we have to reuse the same code multiple times. Do you know majority of software companies are maintaining code libraries? Have you remembered? Majority of software companies are doing code libraries. Code libraries they are going to maintain for common requirements. You have to check. You require to check in the library. If it is not available, then only implement. Yes, reusability of your activities must be required. If you want to do any activity, that activity should not be one-time activity. You have to do that, and it should be reusable in the future. Okay, remember, it is a very important. Suppose I'm just while handling this session, I'm recording this session. Now observe, tomorrow if any person is going to ask me, can you please take this session again? Sorry man, already this video is there, please go through that. Please go through that. Have you observed, right? 2018 I took last Python online batch. 2020 I'm taking next Python online batch. But meanwhile, Durga sir delivered Python classes thousands of times, not directly my videos delivered. Getting my point? Yes, friends. Are you in the position to understand my words? Next 2020 I took Python. Maybe next Python when I'm going to take, maybe 2025 or maybe 2027. Getting? So, but meanwhile, Durga sir handling Python. Where? Okay. I handled Java class almost around 7 to 8 years before. But everyone aware Durga sir is expert in Java. Okay. Because Durga sir handling Java classes, oh, lakhs of people every day. How? Not Durga sir. Okay. My videos are handling. Getting the thing? So very recently, in some platform, I completed, 1,50,000, sorry, 1,67,000 people throughout the world. Durga sir has the students. 1,60,000 students across 150 countries. Durga sir having. Hurry, I never handled, but how? My videos. Getting the point, right? That's what reusability. If you do some work today, that work should generate that thing should be reusable. This is, yeah. Have you observed, right? Mostly people says that Java means Durga sir. Yeah. Okay. Really, some people are going to feel Durga sir is the expert in Java. Durga sir is the expert in Java. Sorry, man. I handled Java classes almost 8 years before, but I didn't. Still, if tomorrow if I'm going to announce Java batch, minimum 200 members will be there in my batch. I'm sure. The reason for that, what I did that day, that thing is the reusable every day. Getting my point? What is the meaning of reusable? Next, the wo, the most valuable point, sir. Wo. Okay, like anyone, can you please guess what is the wo? What is the meaning of wo? Wo. Respond. Anyone? Anyone? Can you please tell what is the wo? Opportunity. Wo means yeah, organization. Yes, whoops. Object oriented programming, outstanding object. Yeah, it is something like more or less reusability only, but anyway, one time effort, but continuous results. Sir, I require to do this work. Is it required to do this work every time? Every time? Every time? Or if I do one time? Is it going to provide continuous results? Okay, like, are you getting? More or less reusability only, but this word also, if I'm doing some work, every time I'm going to check, is it one time activity but continuous results, one time effort but continuous results. Okay, one time activity but continuous results. Okay, this is wo. I'm not elaborating much. Anyway, just I hope if we are getting the time somewhere, definitely I will explain with examples what is the meaning of that. Just anyway, I hope this word itself is self-explanatory. You can understand. It's not Greek and Latin. You have to do this activity one time, but it will be helpful lifetime. It will be helpful forever. Yes, that is. So what is the next one? L. L means L means anyone? Ayyo, L means love, learning. uh, just because I told, right, these are my own keywords. These are my own keywords. Okay, in my life every day I'm going to use these keywords, my own creation. L means, what is that? What is this L means? Okay, less less efforts, but more results. Less effort but more results, because all these things are business related, your development progress related. Don't worry, I'm not talking about attachments kind of thing. Okay, it is not talks about relations. Okay, like so less efforts but more results. So if I have 10 activities are there, then I'm always going to do, where I have to do less efforts, but big results where we are going to get. I'm always thinking about these words. Okay, like next, what is the next one? A. A. Anyone, can you please guess what is my A? What is my A? Yeah. Anyone? Can you please guess what is the A? A. Okay, like active. Okay. I'm always thinking about in my activities, compulsory, compulsory automation. I'm always thinking about that. Okay, we should not do the activities manually. The missions has to do that. Automation. I'm always thinking about automation. We should not waste our efforts in repeated activities, right? Okay, that activity should be automated, which should be done automatically. Every time you have to check whether that thing happened, this thing happened, such a type of thing. I don't want to do that. Everything should be automated. Automation, very, very important, sir. Okay, like next, yes, luckily, N. I told, what is that? N. What is the N? Okay, what is the N? Yeah, I told, right, new activity for next level. Very important, sir. You are always at some level. To move to the next level, what is the new activity? I have to do that. Okay, new activity, new member I met, new place I visit, new activity I did. That new itself is the N. Okay, like so earlier at the beginning days, I thought that these seven are my keywords. Okay, in my success, every day I record to check these things. Like I thought that, but later I added these two words also with my experience, because tomorrow I may add some more word also. But anyway, if it is required, next, M. So this is also most valuable in our life. It is also most valuable. Hyphen means nothing, sir. So for reading purpose, I kept Srolan MH. Okay, like so this is Srolan MH, like I took. M is hyphen is nothing is there. Don't worry. Don't too much specific. So this word may not be applicable for you people, because the reason for that, you are okay if you are already okay in settled like these type of things. If you are already responsible to handle several things, this is so the most valuable thing we should not ignore in our life. Okay, is money. Remember this one, sir. Money, the most valuable thing we should not ignore in our life. Some people may feel Durga sir is the business person. No, this is also very, very important. If you so the money makes n number of things in our life. Believe money, sir. Definitely money makes n number of things in your life. Somewhere I heard one beautiful statement. Okay, have you ever heard about this type of statement? Are డబ్బే అన్ని రోగాలకి మందు కాదు. Okay, money is not medicine for all diseases. Somewhere you may heard about this. Are somewhere you may heard about this statement. Money is not the medicine for all diseases. Like, have you heard about this one, right? So in Telugu we can use the word well, are డబ్బే అన్ని రోగాలకి మందు కాదు, గుర్తుపెట్టుకో. Someday definitely you are going to struggle, like, but my perspective, I will tell in one Telugu movie, it is the famous dialogue, sir. So not Telugu movie, somewhere I saw, money is not medicine. for all the diseases. Money is not medicine for all the diseases, but if you have the money, you can buy medicine for all diseases. Huh? Okay, if you have the money, if you have the money, you can buy the medicine for all the diseases. Okay, for all means up to up to up to acceptable, up to available. Okay, like yeah. Okay, money is not the medicine for all diseases, but you can buy the medicine if you have the money. Okay, like this is very important. Next, in Telugu one movie, uh, in Telugu one movie is there. My favorite movie named with businessman. So in that movie, one dialogue is there. రే డబ్బే శాశ్వతం, డబ్బు శాశ్వతం కాదు, మనసులు, మనుషులు, రిలేషన్స్, దీస్ థింగ్స్ ఆర్ పర్మనెంట్ ఇన్ అవర్ లైఫ్. మనీ ఈజ్ నాట్ పర్మనెంట్. మనీ ఈజ్ నాట్ పర్మనెంట్. ఓకే, which thing is the permanent in our life is relations, these kind of things are permanent in the life. Okay, do you know, this is usually the people are always thinking, but Mahesh Babu businessman, the dialogue is అరే మనుషులు పుడుతుంటారు పోతుంటారు, కానీ సొసైటీలో మనీ ఇస్ ద పర్మనెంట్. ఓకే, the people born and dead, but money is always there in the society. Are you getting? Money is always there in the society. Okay, like this is the dialogue there. Okay, of course, considerable dialogue from businessman movie, Telugu movie. Okay, like yeah. So if you have money is not medicine for all the diseases, but if you have the money, you can buy the medicine for any disease. Remember carefully, right? Money. So if you start playing with the money, then automatically, if money starts playing with you, then your situation is very horrible, you can't bear. That's why don't play games with the money, the most valuable important thing. Okay, like so if there is any chance to earn some money legally, okay, we should not miss that opportunity. That's what, legally. Okay, like correct time. Chandan is telling we don't take money with us when we die. Yeah, correct. But to create our impact, okay, to create our impact in the next generations, okay, to do to do a good thing for the society, money must be required. Okay, getting the point? Okay, essential, the most essential thing. Sir, you can contact, you can cross check. Because of lack of money, how many things you are missing in your life? If you want, you can cross check. Because of lack of money, how many things you are missing in your life? Chandan, you can cross check. Don't play games with money. Okay, give importance for the money. Next, anyone, can you please tell what the next H? I have. Okay, this is also the most valuable, sir. Okay, the most valuable things, sir. So H, anyone, can you please think about that? Yeah. Okay, so H means this is the most valuable thing. Do you know, in our life, in our life, every time, so just in the while we were in the school, okay, while we were kid, okay, then you are always thinking about, if you go to the school, then a number of friends are there, like so just I have to go to the school, some people maybe. Next, after school, while you are in the school, you are always thinking about, array, in the school teachers are giving left and right. If it is the college, then they won't give left and right. Okay, like the people are always going to think about college. Okay, college. So, but once he entered into the college, the story is the different. Intermediate, plus two, the story is the different. Oh, if you are not going to study, you won't get engineering seat, you won't get medicine seat. Like, wow, two worst life will be there in that. Every day, every minute is the important. Next, once, luckily, I got two good rank. I got the seat in IIT or otherwise in somewhere medicine MBBS seat in the best college. Like now, the father is telling, "Arey, if you are going to study these 5 years well, then your life is going to be settled. Like another 5 years, I require to work. Okay, I have to do in the IIT or otherwise MBBS or something like. Next and after that MD. Next and after that assume that medicine side MD. Next and after that marriage, kids, life. Okay, so in our life, some every stage some issue is there. Correct, right? Every stage some issue is always there. Every stage is, sir, every day some issue is there. Array, once if I'm getting the job, then my life will be very happy. Every month salary, my financial problems are gone. But once you got the job, now the new problems are going to start. Correct? Now the new problems are going to start. If I change the company, okay, then this worst company, I'm not in a position to work. If I change the company, then my life will be smooth. If you change the company, there a number of new problems you are seeing there. Okay, like, so means that in our life issues are very common. In our life issues are very common. Problems are very common. Okay, without problems, without, you can't find any place without having the problems. You can't find any person without having the problems. Remember that you can't find anywhere, sir, without having the problems. Problems are very common. That's why, so even problems are coming, even issues are there, but your happiness should not be missed. Every minute we should be spelling is the correct. HAPPYRI, correct. Okay, every minute happiness must be required. We have to enjoy every minute of life, because, sir, today money is not there, that's why we are missing happiness. Tomorrow money is there, that's why we will get happiness. No, 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 no. That happiness must be there, okay, at every stage of your life. So please do something to make yourself is happy, because today time gone, then tomorrow, array, at my childhood I didn't play, or otherwise, I didn't play. Next, while working, while learning, uh, I didn't find the time to enjoy my life. To enjoy my life. Now I have everything, but I'm not in a position to enjoy my life. Some people are going to feel such type of things. Have you remembered, right? Array, while learning, not finding the time. While having the time, you are not having the health, or these kind of things may not support. That's why every, so permanent happiness also must be required for you people. You require to do something for your happiness. Okay, like, don't miss this thing. This is also very important factor in our life. Happiness must be required at every stage. Okay, remember that. Because some people are going to think, some people are going to think, Array, my kid future should be too good. That's why my kid future should be too good. He should become IITN, or otherwise he should become big doctor. Like, Array, day one onwards, in the LKG, nursery, play school only, the parents are start going to the school, and then after coming back, open the book, homework, dot dot dot. Okay, you should have some childhood memories. Remember carefully. So life is important. Life is important. Okay, just future is important. In addition to that, the age happiness is also important. Okay, that's what we should not miss this word in our day. Okay, so n number of issues are there, n number of problems are there, but that happiness also must be required for us. Remember carefully, right? Okay, next, sir, MH. Okay, H means, sir, another thing is also very important, sir. MH square is my formula. Okay, MH square. Okay, you have n number of things in your life, but ultimately health is also important. Health is wealth. Okay, like, health is wealth. It is, so you have to take care about this one also. Getting the points? If you are not taking care, then automatically, so you have 100 crores, 1,000 crores, but your health is not up to the mark. What the use of that? Okay, what the use of that? You reached CM level, PM level, but your health is not good. You may leave this world in the middle. What kind of problem it is? Getting the point, right? Getting the point, right? That's why, so without health you can't do anything. That's why health concern also very, very important for our life. Remember. Okay, these Srolan mh square is the formula. Mh square is the formula. Every day I'm thinking about if I have some time, am I doing so? My activities are reflecting these things or not. Every day I'm going to check. Okay, if it is doing that, yeah, if it is doing that, okay, like if yeah, if it is doing, if we are related to there, then happiest life will be there for our success, for our happiness, for our enjoy. Okay, these keywords I'm always using. Getting the things, friends? Can you please confirm? All my, nothing is there with me, sir. I shared everything. I shared everything because nothing, what the use of keeping those things? Okay, nothing. I'm following these rules. I'm always following. That's why Srolan mh is going to change your life, I'm sure. Is it really helpful for you people, right? Yes, friends. Almost whatever each and every point, I'm always thinking. I'm always doing some analysis in every area, sir. With all my experiences, okay, I created some keywords for my life. In the future, we should not ignore these keywords. Okay, like I identified, every keyword is a gold. Remember this one. In my perspective, that may not in your perspective, I don't know. Okay, in my perspective, every keyword is the golden point for me. Every day, every minute, I'm always checking. So am I doing Srolan mh square? Okay, am I doing with the speed or not? Array speed is important. This area we are not up to the mark, so we have to make some speed. We have to change the gear. Like I will check that. Next, sir, this is also very important, which is going to change the life like anything, friends. It is going to change your, what we call, your style of your lifestyle is going to be changed with this word, whether you are going to believe or not. Even we did a number of videos in the last somewhere. I highlighted this point also. So don't do every activity whatever you have unnecessary. In Telugu we have wonderful proverb. Do you know, నిమిషం తీరిక లేదు దమ్మిడి ఆదాయం లేదు. In Telugu we have wonderful proverb, నిమిషం తీరిక లేదు దమ్మిడి ఆదాయం లేదు. Means you are not vacant for a single minute, but single paisa also is not there in your pocket. Then what is the use of that busy? Okay. Morning to evening full busy, but there is no result. Morning to evening you are completely dedicated in the office, but at the end of the month your salary is very less. What you can do? Waste. That's why don't do all the activities. Filter, prioritize. Highest result work only I have to do that. Lesser result work I should not touch. Okay, I will arrange. Okay, like I will arrange some people to do those kind of things. Wherever highest results are there, my time, my concentration is always in that particular area only. Next, and after that, reusability. Okay, if I do something, it should be reusable multiple times. Okay, it should be reusable multiple times. Durga sir did Java videos in the 2005 or 2006 or 2014, 2015, but still Java videos are going to be, so n number of students throughout the world learning Java. Okay, one time activity. Okay, but continuous results. Have you observed? More or less, more or less. Okay, next, less efforts, more results. If you have any such type of activity, we should not miss. So array here you require to work small, but big results are there, such type of thing. But anyway, please make sure don't try to find shortcuts for illegal money. Shortcut to get the money, these kind of things are not going to work. Okay, legalizer, everything should be legalizer, very important. Next, automation, because our life is very small. If you have to do every activity manually, your lifetime is not enough. I told our life is very small, very small. I told, right, how many these many days is the total lifespan for the human being. Already our age 30 plus, so almost around 10,000 days only will be there on the earth. Remember, that's next. So new activity for next level. Today every day you require to cross check. Am I? Every day you require to cross check. Am I did any new activity in my life? Okay. Am I met any new person? Am I learned something? Okay. Like what is your next level? You have to decide new activity for that next level must be required. Next, don't play games with money. If the money start playing games with you, then you can't bear. The life will be very horrible. Okay. If you have the money, you can buy medicine for anything. Don't believe money is not medicine for all. Okay, think in reverse. Okay, next, happiness. This is the most valuable thing for you people, right? At every age you should not miss this one. At every stage of your life you should not miss this one. Okay, compulsory you have to spend some time for about this keyword also, which is a very very important, sir. Next, all these things are nothing if you are not having proper health. So please be health conscious. Okay, you should be fit. Clear? What is the formula? Yes, friend. Srolan mh square. Do you know how much importance I'm giving these words? Whether you are going to believe or not, whether you are going to believe or not. Just I went there for some tattoos on the hands. Tattoos the people are going to keep, right? Tattoo. What is the word? Correct word? Is the tattoo? Tattoo, right? I asked a tattoo guy, can you please on my hand, can you please tattoo these? I have Srolan MH. Can you please write as a tattoo, just green with the green ink tattoo? Can you please write on my hand? Like I asked that person. Then that person told, sir, permanent, temporary is not possible. Permanent, temporary is not possible, sir. Like I asked. So anyway, if it is required, can I rub? Such type of facility is there or not? I asked one shop wala. Then that person told, sir, permanent. Sorry, it is once we kept it is the permanent, sir. Because tomorrow my formula may be changed. Then I may be in the problem. That's why I didn't went for tattoo. I thought that I have to keep these words as the tattoo on my hand. That much importance I'm giving for these words. Believe me, sir. Getting my point? Okay. Please take a bit special care. My experiences, like all these things, all my experience put into 7 to 9 keywords. 7 is my lucky number, 9 is my next lucky number. 9 keywords are there. Okay, these 9 keywords, if you are going to follow, you may. Okay, I am enjoying my life. Yeah, that's all, friends. Friends, are you getting my intention of these things? Okay, so these are my keywords for your success. You can for your success, sir. I'm succeeding. Definitely tomorrow my position is too good. I will be at the top position with these keywords. Okay, believe me, sir. So the people who are viewing this video, whatever you are feeling, either positive or negative, or positive or negative, anything, sir, better to write in the comments. Okay, what things you felt very happy, what things you felt bad. Okay, whatever positive things or negative things, better to write in the comment section. If you feel happy, so definitely share this video for your friends. So it is going to be very helpful for them also. Thank you. Add on point, even for me. Okay, who is my favorite heroine? Assume that Katrina Kaif is my favorite heroine. Assume that. Is compulsory your favorite heroine is the same? No, right? No, right? Need not be. Okay, need not be right. Okay, so your favorite heroine maybe different, right? Maybe different. So in my perspective, okay, these are the keywords I'm always following. Okay, it doesn't mean these keywords are exactly same for you people also. Okay, you can remove something, you can add something, and so you should have your own keywords in your life for your success, based on your experience, based on your circumstances. Observe carefully, right? Observe carefully. Based on your circumstances, based on your business, based on your life, based on your experiences, you may add some keywords, you may remove some keywords, no problem, right? Okay, because these are with respect to me. Okay, with respect to you, maybe new keywords, that's why. But my intention is everyone having a set of keywords. Okay, everyone having a set of keywords. Okay, every day you require to think about those keywords in your day-to-day activities. That's about my intention. Yes, some people are telling, so continuous learning is missing in this. Yes, correct. Continuous learning is missing. Okay, some people are telling. Some people are telling honest to self. Yes, very important. Very important. Self honest to self is the most important. Next, teach others is another important thing. Next, some people are telling help is missing here. Okay, like, yeah, that's correct. So I told, right, person to person, situation to situation, experiences to experiences, these keywords are going to be changed. But these are my own created keywords based on my experiences, based on my current activities, based on your experiences, based on your activities, based on your activities. Okay, what you have to do, create your own keywords. Okay, and every day you require to cross check. That's my intention. Yeah, that's